Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just doing a little experiment on this heat pump. Just started 4 minutes ago. Here's the starting temps, 24.3 on the right and 23.2 on the left. So you can see here, guys, little blue indicator. This is the heat side and this is the cool side. Got a little watt meter here. Sorry, those lights. Anyways, it's drawn about 10 amps from my bank when I shut everything else off. So here's the heat rad and the cool rad. Each one has its own reservoir. I have an adjustable step-down converter there so I can adjust the speed of the pumps. And the one in the back is another buck converter so I can adjust the amount of power going to the chips. You can see that one's, 25 degrees, and this one's 20. And like I said, it's only been going for maybe 5 minutes, you guys. 28, 18. So, like I said, this is going to vent right into the hydro tent. This cooling fan will work in conjunction with the top cooling fan. So they'll work in tandem. As this one's pushing in cold air, it's going to be drawing it out of the top of the tent. When the heating fan is on, that's the only fan that'll be on, so it'll be pushing in nice warm air. And as you know, warm air is lighter, so it will rise up. So yeah, I'm just giving this a little test run before I put it in. Wow, 32 degrees on the warm side and 19.5 on the cool. And we've been running for, about 6 minutes. Wow, really good. I'll show you the power draw. That's just the unit there, 9.11 amps. And like I said, guys, it's only going to run maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Wow, it's really climbing. Anyways, I think time to shut this down and install it. Wow, what a difference. You can also even see the condensation in this one, where this one is clear. Nice and quiet. Now when I run the fans, that's a different story. Like I said, these fans move a lot of air. So I have them, they're going to be hooked up to these, which I can step down and vary the voltage, probably down to 5-6 volts. And we'll see all the draw coming out here. So the next video, guys, should be this all hooked up and running. Okay, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Later.